Everyone, in the last lecture, we saw how we can use structs in Golang, and we created two structs. One is user struct and the other one is movie. In this lecture, we will start implementing the functions in our movie matcher. And we start with createUser, which will return a user with the name and the list of preferred movies category. So the createUser, it will take as a parameter a name and a slice of category. Let's head over or jump to this code, and the function is createUser. It will take and categories, which is a slice of category, and as an output it will return a user. Let's create a variable called user, and let's use the user struct to define this user. At the name it will be name, and for preferred categories it will be the category slice, and let's return this user. Let's try to use it in the main function, and let's create a user. Let's create a user using createUser, and as a name we can use Jack like the first user, and the second parameter it will be a slice of categories, and like this code it gave me an error. This is because we are doing two initializing, or we are initializing the same user variable. We can delete this one, and if we save the file and try to execute the file or execute the main function, we will get the username is Jack and the list of preferred categories. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next one.